Here's our third attempt. PopMart. Which Labubu, which yoga Labubu is coming out? Ooh. Wow. What's this one called? Zone out. Completely zoned out. Let's see. Ooh, he's green. Wow, look at that. And I think that's why we need the base. Let's take the base out. Okay, so what I need to do is stick his leg on the platform, like so. And there you go. Look at this. Check this out. Right. I like this one. And here's your card, your zone out. But look at this, I don't think I can naturally do this. He's reaching his foot with his hand. And again, look at the velvet on this. That's so nice to touch. Beautiful. We're up to number 4. The 4th one now. Ab roller. This looks cool. Ab roller. So it's not a secret one. All of the ones so far are not a secret one because they're all on the box. Wow. The poor guy is sweating. You can see his sweat marks here. And look at his eyes. He's straining himself. Well, I'll tell you, whenever I try and do ab workout, I find it stressful and very tiring as well. I'll put him here and I'll get his mat out. Oh, I've just noticed. Look on the mat. He's got a timer. Right? You can just see the timer there. So he can be watching the time. How long he needs to continue doing the ab workout wheel. And the wheel actually moves. If he's done it for 12 minutes, he's lasted much longer than I can.